Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom resolution for Counter-Strike 2 using the NVIDIA Control Panel. So without further ado, let's get started. First, right-click on your desktop and open NVIDIA Control Panel. On the left-hand side, under Display, click Change Resolution. Next, click the Customize button. If the button is available, make sure Enable Resolutions Not Exposed by the display is checked. Now click Create Custom Resolution. Here, enter the resolution you want to use. For example, you can enter a custom stretched resolution such as 1080 by 1080, or any other resolution you prefer. Leave the refresh rate set to your monitor's maximum refresh rate. Once you've entered your settings, click Test. If your screen displays correctly, click Yes to save the custom resolution. Now open Counter-Strike 2. Go to Settings, then Video. Set the display mode to full screen, and you'll now be able to select your new custom resolution from the resolution list. Apply the changes, and you're all set. If your custom resolution doesn't appear, simply restart CS2 and check the resolution list again. And that's it. That's how to create a custom resolution for CS2 using NVIDIA Control Panel. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot for more CS2 tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.